Hi, welcome back to the Save It for Parts channel. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I enjoy building potato guns. In fact, I probably have more plumbing devoted to firing spuds in the air than I have devoted to actual indoor plumbing in my house. Now, I'm always looking for new attachments to put onto my multi-barrel potato cannon. This has the threaded barrel adapter so I can screw on different things for shooting rubber bouncy balls, potatoes, grappling hooks. Now, what if we came up with some sort of way to make potatoes into food? There! The potatoes are now edible. But that's not quite what I was thinking. Still not quite what I was thinking. Alright, in all, well, more seriousness, this was a suggestion by YouTube viewer Nelson Rao, who said, what happens if you shoot a potato through hardware cloth? And I immediately thought, French fry cannon. Hardware cloth is this kind of square mesh, small mesh chicken wire. I use it on my airboat as a protective-ish cage, although sometimes the propeller cuts through it when I crash. And this stuff says it has a variety of uses. I don't see French fry cannon on there, though. I better call up the manufacturer and complain. Now, I could just duct tape this onto my spud gun barrel, but I'm going with a higher level of quality and professionalism for this build, so I'm also going to use a zip tie. Oh yeah, that looks so professional. Alright, well that made more of a hash brown than a French fry, which was kind of what I expected. But, it still looks pretty edible if we douse it in enough oil and fry it up. This is actually pretty good for something that was fired at high velocity, but I think it needs some ketchup. Now, we could do boring old normal ketchup out of the bottle, or... I think I've just advanced the science of ketchup dispensing about 100 years. Well, perhaps the world isn't ready for my ideas on high-speed condiment delivery. I was able to use some stunt hash browns, so fortunately my breakfast was not actually ruined by all that science, and we can wrap up the day with a healthy plate of fried starch. Delicious. This has been Adventures in Cooking with the Save It for Parts channel, and go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to see other dumb spud gun projects, or whatever we get up to next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.